All right, what is great about question number 4? It is just like question number 2. If you look at it, it is exactly the same. Using pi equals 3, what is the circumference of this circle? We did the same thing on question number 2. So what I'm going to give you here is the formula you're going to use. Your formula is C equals 2, and I'm going to go up here and insert my special character because I think they're fun. Pi r. That's my formula. So my equation equals C equals 2 times, and then pi, this symbol is just going to equal 3 times, and then r, if we can't see it, we're going to go to view, zoom up to 100 so we can see, equals 11. And then my answer, or you can write PEMDAS because you're going in order of operations, is C equals 2 times 3 times 11. That's going to be your answer. Let's go to view, back to fit. Then you're going to highlight A, B, or C. Then you're going to take whichever one it is, drag and drop it up to the top. I'm not going to provide you with this answer. You need to figure it out on your own because all you're doing is multiplying 2 times 3 times 11. If you have a hard time, go back to question number 2 and it will explain it a little bit more in detail. But pretty much this is what you need to have written in your box for this one. And the answer. You have to provide the answer.